Hello, this is a 2005 Toyota Prius. These cars are very popular in Cambodia because driving in a city in Cambodia can be a nightmare. You can hardly move from one place to another. You're stuck in traffic jam all the time. So driving a hybrid car like this can really save you a lot of money because the fuel price is quite expensive as well. And this car is here to have the evaporator clean, and we had to take off the entire dashboard and pull out these evaporators and wash them and put them back. Whereas in Malaysia, we do not have Toyota Prius as old as 2005. I think the oldest we have here is around 2011. And if you want to pick up a used one, you can get it dirt cheap because they don't have value in Malaysia. Fuel price is very cheap, traffic is very reasonable, so you don't actually save anything getting a hybrid car here, considering you have to pay a lot for the cost of maintenance and all that. So it is really not popular to have any hybrid car in Malaysia. So now the air being blown into the cabin is stronger after the evaporators were washed. So thank you for tuning in. If you have made this far, I think you should consider subscribing to our channel. I really appreciate that a lot. So thank you for your support.
Từ từ từ